In 2016, I decided to move my woodworking business in hopes of growing it into something bigger. Now, only a few years later, people all over the Nashville area are inviting me into their homes to help create unique, one-of-a-kind pieces and make their dreams a reality. So follow along as I take you behind the scenes and show you what it takes to create these custom built-ins. So this project is a little smaller than my normal projects, which is funny because this project would have been a massive project for me a couple of years ago. So I'm actually really excited about this project. It could not have come at a better time because what has two thumbs and owns his own small business? This guy. So I am not excited about the prospect of having 2 solid weeks of a few days to work. One of my guys is actually completely off the week of Christmas. The other guy is gonna be here for some of it and out for some of it. So I'm pretty much on my own, which is fine. It's just, that's a long period of time to be doing such a small project. But that's all okay because for the couple of days that I am gonna be working, I will be here by myself with Yoshi as my supervisor, getting things done. So I'm gonna get this project fully prepped and ready here at the shop, which I never actually do anymore. And then I'm going to take the parts and pieces and go deliver it, install it, and finish it at the client's house. Hopefully between Christmas and New Year's, but we'll see. So I went this afternoon and got all of the supplies that I think I need for this project, so I'm going to not count today as day one because I also had a bunch of other errands to run, but I'm going to go ahead and get started tomorrow, which will be my official day one, and we'll get going on this project. So this morning, the first thing I need to do is actually get the top put together because that's going to be the longest process of this entire build. I've got a bunch of 13/16 poplar that's actually F3S, which means it's surfaced on 3 different sides. And so I'm going to have that basically put all together and make a solid wood top that I'm going to sand down, I'm going to stain brown, and I'm going to be polyurethaning over the next couple of days, which means I can actually do that over Christmas break here in the shop by coming out here for, 15 minutes a day. Not a big deal. After I get the top built and put together, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting all of my pieces for the main cabinet. Once that's done, I'll come back and keep working on the top and just keep kind of going back and forth until I get a bunch of the boxes built, get the top finished, and then we'll see where we're at by the end of the week. just like that, y'all, I am done. These glasses really make me look like a dad. This project turned out really awesome. I actually really like it, and for such a small project that went so quickly, I'm really excited about it. The LEDs looked really, really good. All the ship app looks awesome. The color looks amazing. Everything went so well, and the install went really well as well. To the point that I'm actually considering maybe doing more of this build offsite and install at the client's house at a later time, but we'll see. Because I'm also in the middle of building that super cool trailer. But whatever I end up doing, this was super easy, super awesome, super fun. Can't really say much about it, and as you just watched for the past like 10 minutes, there really isn't much to talk about, so just check out these beauty shots. So thanks again for watching, y'all. If you haven't yet, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I am at PMK Woodworking. You can find all the stuff that I'm doing there, along with any sort of giveaways, announcements, and just kind of see what I'm working on ahead of time before it actually posts the videos on YouTube. Hit me up if you have any questions. I'm always happy to answer some questions, and I'm looking for DIY tutorials. So if there's something that you'd like to know how to build a quick and easy DIY project, let me know in the comments below, because I want to go ahead and start putting some more of those out. And while I'm extremely busy and don't really have the time to do it right now, it's still just a goal that I have for this coming year. Make sure to click on the link below if you want to use any of the products that I used in this project. You can find them on my Amazon store, and that helps support the channel a little bit, as well as mostly just interacting with the ads that you see before and after these videos. That really helps support my channel, and that'll keep things going here, which will just help me put out better content. I'm only on episode 2 of this new endeavor, and I apologize if this was not my best effort. I didn't really know where to go with this one, so I just kind of made a quick montage, and it just became one giant montage, so for that, I apologize. I promise that the next couple episodes are going to be a little more interesting, hopefully, so we'll see. Stay tuned. I think you'll be happy with the result. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.